Today I come to you from one of the oldest areas in Brisbane, the Rim. I'm actually in Red Hill, and where we're staying is surrounded, well, we are staying in one of these amazing old Queenslanders, and the Red Hill area is just full of history and of course lots of hills, as you can see, but truly amazing. So what's today's topic? Well, actually staying at an Airbnb made me think of today's topic, because what we're talking about today is host leadership, and the Airbnb we're staying in has the host actually stays in another section of the house. And so I wanted to talk about the concept of leadership styles and how I'm continuously asked in either small groups or coaching sessions to talk with people about developing the leadership style. I think in my history with the Education Department, I've gone through a squillion training sessions, leadership sessions, where it's talked about what is our leadership style, what should it be. And there are just so many. They've all come in and out of vogue as I've been there. Transformational leadership, visionary leadership, instructional leadership, which I think is just teaching and coaching, but I could be wrong, and leadership from behind, servant leadership. So what do they all have in common? Well, they're all different techniques used for different times. And that's actually why I love the term host leadership, because everyone knows what a good host does. They plan, they organise, manage for an event. Never let anyone tell you that management isn't part of leadership. If you've ever been to a school that seems to have a very high-profile leader, but the management is absolutely awful, then the school's in chaos. The same way if you're having an event, there has to be significant management behind it. So leadership and management go together. Throughout cultures, we know what a good host is. They have it planned, they have it organised, they have it managed. On top of that, they then greet their guests. They move seamlessly between their guests. They ensure that the event, or they try and ensure the event is successful, that the outcomes are successful. Significant amount of it is about relationships, working hard at the beginning to get everybody part of the event, feeling positively part of the event, and then stepping back, becoming a servant to the leadership. So if you're ever asked about what sort of leadership style you have, why don't you answer host leadership? Because it's about developing different techniques and different styles for different events. If you want to ever talk about it some more, give me a call. Otherwise, until next time, take care. And of course, I'm going back to walk around these amazing houses in Brisbane.